This video explores the definitions of human anatomy and physiology. It then explains how the structure of our bodies influences how they function. Before we delve into the wonders of the human body, I want you to imagine the human body as a magnificent machine. To truly understand how this machine works, we need to know two key things: its parts and processes. This is where anatomy and physiology come in. Anatomy is the scientific study of the body's structures. Anatomy examines everything from tiny cells and their even smaller components such as cell organelles all the way up to the complex organs we can see, like the heart, brain, and kidneys. Now let's shift our attention to physiology, the counterpart to anatomy. Physiology is the scientific study of the body's function. The topics such as how the cardiovascular system maintains normal blood pressure, or how the kidneys filter blood fall under the scope of physiology. Let's apply these definitions to some examples. In the first statement, the release of the hormone insulin is a prime example of physiology in action. Insulin helps regulate blood sugar levels, demonstrating how our body uses chemical messengers to maintain internal balance. Next, we have a concept that falls under anatomy, the composition of our body's structural components, like ligaments and tendons. Similarly, the third statement merely mentions the number of bones, which is again a structural component of our body. This also relates to anatomy. Finally, the last statement exemplifies a physiological concept. It describes how activation of the sympathetic nervous system, a key physiological process, directly increases heart rate. While anatomy and physiology are distinct scientific fields, they are closely related. For example, think about how your hand grasps a pen. The structure of your hand is designed for this precise function. Each bone provides a lever, each joint allows movement, and each muscle contracts in perfect coordination to give you that grip. It wouldn't be possible to fully understand the function of our hands without understanding its structure. In other words, understanding the structure of an organ is the key to its function.